what I do, what I do, da da do, da da do.
Welcome, I'm DestroyerNik and today we are playing Minecraft on 1.13 and today I will show you the cow farm that is over here. No, the chicken farm that is over here. So here we have the farm running and it is very small. I made it myself and it is working. So you need a chest here and you need a chest here and then a glass block on top of the chest so you can grab the items out. Then a hopper that is giving items to the chest, so it's pointing into the chest. Then a slab, but don't use these wood slabs because they are not good, because they will go on fire next to the lava. Then you need a dispenser that is looking into the slab. I'm using always the stone slab, and then you need to make this circuit, which is very compact, very easy to make. So if you have some struggles with this, so then you have some serious problems. If you don't know the redstone, then if you don't know how to make this, so then if you have struggles, then I know it's nothing. So yes, you have the dispenser here, and then the comparator taking the output from the dispenser and is detecting the item, the egg from this dispenser. So it is goes to here, and then it goes to the block that powers a redstone dust here, and then you need a redstone repeater to take out the output, because then it will not work, because it will be an output that will go out, that is not reaching the redstone. So you need a repeater, and then you need 3 pieces of redstone here, a piece of redstone here, so it goes to the comparator. You seriously need this redstone, because then it will not work. Then from this last one you need a repeater output. You need the repeater, so it goes into this block that is powering this block at the same time, and then the whole circuit will work. And then you need 2 hoppers, one going into the dispenser, and 1 hopper that is going into this hopper to go into the dispenser. or you can just you can no, you can't. Yes. Then you have here some blocks, so they can't go out. You can break these blocks because they don't matter. And then you have this block, so they can't jump, or you just have these blocks here and break this, but you need less blocks to make like this. And this is the whole farm done. It is very easy. You can have it in your world. You don't need very much, and on a world that I play on, it has a lot of food in here, so it's very good to have this farm. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.